Hello there, and welcome to episode 4 of my Vietnam vlog series. Today I'll be exploring Pu Luong and Ninh Binh. Coming up, monsoons in Pu Luong.
Look at all that dirt! Look, boy!
It's so hot and going up. Dehydration in the jungle.
Currently in a very tiny tunnel with a very small roof.
And a boat ride through some tiny caves. Currently walking through the Pu Luong Nature Reserve to a local village where we will stop and have some lunch. Oh, I've taken my hair out, it doesn't look very photogenic. But yes, the scenes are nice.
It is warm.
Yes.
Warm.
I'm hungry. It's only like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Confused. Still trekking. I think it's only been 10 minutes. I'm a little tired. We've got like another 2 hours left. This is kind of steep, like downhill kind of steep. Yeah, like you could fall and roll. Yeah, right down there you can see the rice fields. Very far away. All of these areas have rice fields. If you can see a pool of water, that means the rice has already been harvested and they are putting the water down to prepare the soil for the new season of crops. It's currently a very steep trek. It's so steep. Look at the decline. It's like whee! Just arrived at the local village, I think. Well, we're not really there because it's over here, but we're basically there. So I think we're here. This is so steep. Oh my gosh. I'm practically running. This is baby rice. That's not fully grown. I'm sweating. It's so long. It's so hot, I can barely breathe. And the things in the bushes keep making noises. Oh, look, mountain. Oh my god, this is so hard. Finally back some water. Never in my life am I doing this again. So stupid. I'm so tired. This stupid jungle. So I missed out a bit of footage because I could barely breathe and I didn't think I was going to make it through the jungle. So after 4 hours of trekking in 37 degrees heat, I made it to my homestay. So I thought I'd have a nice relaxing evening, but no, I got caught in a storm. The typhoon!
Those clothes don't fall off.
Those are my clothes.
Yeah,
I think the typhoon is coming. It's not a typhoon! Why? Look.
Do you mean hurricane?
No, there's two. One is a hurricane.
Typhoon is at sea.
Oh.
Oh my god, the leaves are gonna kill us!
I'm getting out! No, you're too British. Look at the trees, they're shaking, they're shaking.
It'll pass.
Look! Oh! He fell! A tree fell! Oh! Oh! This is called a monsoon, guys. It means a lot of rain.
Vietnam, they said.
Now we're playing. It's like today. The storm cleared overnight, and we went up the hill for breakfast in the morning, where I met a lady who wanted to take a picture of me. So of course, I took a picture of her too. Is there any fish in here? No. No fish. To get to the top. Currently at the Biden Pagoda. You have to make sure you're covered to get in. As a sign of respect, take your shoes off. And it's very pretty. I don't know if pretty is the right word, but it's a lot of gold. This is absolutely huge. Statues such as these are made on site due to them being so big and too heavy to transport from somewhere else. Yeah, it's huge. This tower is very, very big for a height difference. I'm baking. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. Right, I need to do my hair later. Everything's so intricate. There's all lotuses on the door. There's mandarin symbols on the tiles.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
Complex named Trang An is a large area with the limestone mountain and the river. So, and a lot of caves and temples. So we are going just one small side in the whole complex. Okay.
Give me a really good feeling all day long.
About to jump into a boat. Oh my days.
Like those.
Is this gonna sink? My one's a bit close to the ground. Matt, you're not getting in? Oh!
We're just leaving behind.
cheeky boat ride in the river. If I see a bat, then I'm just gonna go crazy. Oh my god, you can literally touch the ceiling. This looks like something out of a film. Maybe Indiana Jones.
We have, you know, the movie King Kong. And your hand.
Oh, it's got lights in here. How pretty.
Yeah.
Until you reach your peak, peak, trying to the bottom of my mountain. I want the
Just behind that floating temple is called Eagle Mountain because it kind of looks like an eagle. In my opinion, the limestone mountains look very similar to Halong Bay, so I think this is a nice alternative. Or you can do both. Currently in a very tiny tunnel with a very small roof, but there is a light bulb and that makes everything better. Why is it so warm in here? Oh, no breeze. I could live in a cave, I think. This is ridiculous. Like, look how low these rocks are. Yeah, it's recording.
Come on, now it's time for the next temple. Really exciting to explore this temple.
Are you gonna get it? Can you support my weight if I stand on this? I think so. Oh yeah. The Trang An complex is a pretty cool place to check out. The boat tour took about 3 hours. I felt sorry for the little old lady who was rowing the boat. Gave her a tip though because I was like, I'm so heavy, how can you row me? But yeah, it's pretty cool. My time in Ninh Binh concluded with some karaoke. The karaoke places in Vietnam are huge and they're so bright and garish and fun. But yeah, it's the end of this vlog. Catch you in the next one.
Tell,